Thutha wa guthuthurio ni bunge ya kaunti ya Nyeri, ministeri mekurugamira honge itiganite nimekiranire kirore ngirimiti ya uria mekuruta wira na Ngabana Wahome Gakuru.
I think four of the people behind me wear the title doctor, either doctors in medicine, and otherwise we have an engineer. We have people trained in business.
Ngabana Wahome Gakuru ni ateteire itua riake ria kwamura Sheila Githaiga ta minister wa andu ethi tondu ari na uhoti wa kuruta wira wake.
I believe Sheila Githaiga is truly gifted. We have looked at the document, her CV. She's an incredible person, and there is nothing that would make us throw her out on that simple account of.
Githaiga nowe utane kinya wafishine ya Ngabana kwamukira kandarathi yake, no Ngabana arauga ngucanio iria iri ho igie kwamuru gwake ni gutuithanio.
As you notice, my team is meeting all the requirements, constitutional and otherwise, in its composition. We have very experienced individuals who have been here longer than perhaps others, in terms of age, in terms of experience, and where they have worked. We have got all manner of professionals represented here.
Ogereire ati ari na mwihoko na gikundi kia cio 11 yakiuga nimekuruta wira wega wa gutwarithia Nyeri na mbere. Hadi ni Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Inooro.